everybody, welcome to my channel English with Bhavna. So today we will be starting with the topic that is determiners, articles and adjectives. Now, what are determiners, what are adjectives and what are articles we need to know in deep, okay? Now, before starting with it, I would tell you the topic is really easy. All you need is to pay attention. And still, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and click the bell icon. So let's get started with today's topic. Now, what are determiners? A determiner is a word placed in front of a noun to specify quantity. What do you have to specify? You have to specify a quantity. See over here, the quantity is there. Now, example, one dog, many dogs. Okay, or to clarify what the noun refers to. Example, my dog, that dog, the dog. All determiners can be classified as one of the following: an article, a and the, demonstrative, this, that, these, those. Means what? Ki determiners, articles, adjective, all are interrelated. Now, what does this definition says us? Determiner is a word. ये word है जो placed होता है in front of a noun. Okay? To specify what? To specify the quantity. Okay? Or to clarify what noun refers to. For example, I say now that book. That book. For example, this phone. So I'm specifying, clarifying what exactly I wanted. Okay? Now, all determiners can be classified. It can be classified as articles or demonstrative as well. Now, there is also called as predeterminers. As the word pre means before, same over here, before the determiner. The words that occur before determiner to limit the meaning of a noun are known as predeterminer. So these are predeterminers. Pre means before. So the word which occur before a determiner is known as predeterminer. Now, what is intensifier? Now, intensifier used to enhance what? Adjectives. Now, what are adjectives? Adjectives are nothing but it gives more clarification to a noun. Like it modifies noun if we say. For example, this is a dress. So dress is a noun. But when I say this is a black dress, black is what? Adjective. When I say this is a dress, dress is noun. But when I say this is a beautiful dress, so beautiful is what? Adjective, because it is modifying. It is giving you more information about noun. And adverbs. What do you mean by adverbs? What are adverbs? Adverbs are nothing which gives you more information about verb, adjective or another adverb. For example, when I say she is dancing, when I say she is dancing, so dancing is what? Verb. When I say she is dancing, so dancing is verb. For example, I'm just writing over here dancing. Okay, so dancing क्या हो गया? Verb हो गया. But when I say she is dancing gracefully, she is dancing gracefully. So it is what? It is adverb. Okay. When I say she is eating, eating is a verb. Okay. But when I say she is eating quickly, quickly is what? Adverb. So most of the words which has a end at the end is ly. ly जिसके end में होता है, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Adverbs. Adverbs. Always remember. Please ignore my writing. Okay, that is known as adverbs. Now, what are multipliers? As the word multipliers, we know what are multipliers. Let's understand in the form of logical grammar. Multipliers are the words and expression that modify uncountable nouns and plural countable nouns by multiplying the quantity. For example, 2 times, 3 times. We say now, she earns 2 times more than her. So what is that? That is we are multiplying. Okay. Fractions. What are fractions? Used in a way as multipliers, but instead of multiplying the quantity, what we do? We usually divide it. We usually use of between the fraction expression and other determiner, but it is not always necessary. For example, she ate 1/4 of the cake. She ate 1/3 of the cake. Okay, so that is known as fraction. 1/3, 1/4. This all is a fraction. 2/3, For that all is what? Fraction. Now these are the examples. Intensifier. The words used are such, rather, pretty, really, very, etc. For example, the movie was very scary. So it is saying you intensifier, modifying. Okay, it is modifying the uncountable noun, then it's intensifier. Words are used such as such, rather, pretty, very, really, etc. Now, what are multipliers? As I said, you twice, thrice, four times, double, etc. I used to earn half of my current salary. So I'm saying you in the form of multiples, half. Okay? Over here, vary. Fractions. One third, one fourth, two third, etc. She ate one third of the cake. So these are what? These are the three types of predeterminers, that is intensifier, multiplier and fraction. It's very easy to remember, children. You just need to remember that intensifier है तो adverbs or adjectives को enhance करेगा. Okay. Second, if it's a multiplier, obviously you always multiply twice, thrice, this all, right? Four times and all that. So this is what? Multiplier. Fractions हमेशा division में जाता है. One third, two third, four third, that way. So that is known as fraction. Easy to understand? Okay. So now what we will be doing is we will be moving further for the same. Now I hope you have understood the predeterminers and determiners. So we will be moving to the next part of this topic. So now if you say me, ma'am, agar ye to ho gaya, what is article, what is adjective? So we will be learning now that as well. See, now what is article? Article, words that define a noun, specific or unspecific. Now, specific जब होता है, that is known as definite. Okay. For example, the pencil, the phone. Okay, the ball. That is known as specific. Whenever you're talking about specific, you will use what? The. Whenever we are talking about particular thing, we will use the. Okay, whenever we are talking, not of general, only and only of a particular thing. When I'm saying now give me the book, it means I'm talking about a particular book which I wanted. But when I said give me a book, it means in general give me any book. When I say give me the pen, so the pen means which I really wanted. I'm talking about a specific one. But when I say give me a pen, so it's okay, I'm asking for any of the pen which I needed right away. Okay. For example, I'm getting a call and the other person is telling me, please note down my number. So what will I say? If I want a specific my pen only, I will say give me the pen. But if I want any of the pen to write down the number, what I will say, give me a pen. So a pen means any pen. The person will give me any pen when I'm saying a pen. But when I'm saying the pen, it means the person will give me the specific pen which I'm asking for. Okay. Now, definite we have the, that is the pen, the ball, the pencil, particular thing. Now, indefinite is a and n. A and n. A pen, a ball, a pencil, etc. Now, when do you use n? N we use when there is a vowel sound. Example, an elbow, an elephant, an actor. Vowels are A, E, right? I, O, and U. So these are the vowels. Remember that. Not the starting letter should be vowel. That is only not the vowel sound. Okay, vowel sound it should be. Sound होना चाहिए. So starting letter matter नहीं करता. There should be a sound of vowel. So now there is an exception. So honest. If you see the first letter is H, but still I am putting N. Why? Because we never say honest. We say honest. So honest O sound is there, and O is a vowel. So that's the reason I'm using N over here. Okay, a university, though it's U, starting letter is U, but our pronunciation is what? Y-O-U. So इसलिए we are using a, not an. Okay, pronunciation matters the most over here. And HR, we never say HR, we say HR and HR. So pronunciation क्या आ रहा है? A का. So that is the reason we are using N. So exceptions are there, depends on the pronunciation. So please don't just look at the vowels and just write A, N and all. Please make sure that you are pronouncing by yourself and then you are doing it. Okay. So these exceptions are there and there are many more. So I hope you are understanding this part. Okay. So let's move further. Now, what are adjectives? Demonstrative, first of all, adjectives are nothing but it modifies noun. It tells you something more about noun. The types of adjectives which are used as determiners are this. Demonstratives are used to specify. What is it used to? Specify the distance of something in a space or time in relation to the speaker. Okay, the demonstratives are these, that, these, those. Like when do you use this? For example, this is my phone. Okay, that is my class. So this हम जब use करते हैं जब हम singular चीज की पूछ रहे हैं वो nearby. When something is nearby to you and singular, that time you use THIS. See, THIS. But when something is far from you and it's singular, that time you use that. That. For example, that is my phone. This way. Okay. Now, these when do you use? When you're talking about ruler. Okay, and it's nearby to you. For example, these are my bags. These are my bags. Okay, and when you're talking about a plural things which is far away from you, then we say those are my chocolates. Those are my bags. Okay, understood till here? Okay. Now, possessives are used to specify the ownership of an item. Ownership. Okay. Or if the noun refers to something, animate to specify a relationship. Possessives are mine, are, his. For example, this is mine, this is his, this is ours house, this way. There are two common kinds of number. Cardinal numbers are used in the form of counting that involve a total. The example, quantity 1, 2, 3, 4. Ordinal numbers are used to talk where something is placed in an ordered sequence. They are often used right after the definite article or after a possessive. For example, 5th, 4th, 6th. She secured first position. So this first is what? It's what? It is ordinal. Okay. Now, distributors are the determiners that are used to talk about something is shared out or divided. For example, each one of them came late in the class, so each is distributed. Everybody in this class is noisy, so everybody is what? Distributed. Quantifiers are used to indicate the amount or quantity of something referred by a noun. Okay. Now, they are different from numbers because they indicate an approximate amount rather than an exact amount. They can be grouped according to their use. For example, they are much, some, least. She's least interested. Okay, so least is what? Give me some chocolates. So I'm talking about not about the exact like 2 chocolate, 3 chocolate, 4 chocolate. No, I'm saying you give me some chocolates. Okay. So this all are what? Quantifiers. So I hope you have understood this also. We'll just revise quickly once. Demonstratives are what? This, that, those and these. Possessives when you're showing the ownership. Now, numbers are of two types, cardinal and ordinal. Cardinal में क्या होता है जब हम number बोलते हैं directly 1, 2, 3, 4 और ordinal में क्या होता है first, second, third, fourth होता है. Distributives when you're using words like each, everyone, everybody, the all of them. So उस time हम क्या बोलेंगे? Distributive. Quantifiers क्या होता है? Instead of saying the because they indicate approximate amount, exact amount नहीं बोलते, हम बोलते हैं give me some chocolates. She was least bothered in listening to me. So this all are what? These are quantifiers. You are not telling the exact what exactly happened. Okay, you are not exactly telling about the quantity as well, but you are saying rather you are using what? Approximate amount. Okay, that is known as quantifiers. Now, this is the example exercise. These are the examples which you can note it down if you want. It's very easy for you to understand and refer in future as well. Her train will arrive in half an hour. So half an hour क्या हो गया? Fraction हो गया. Okay? Half an hour is a fraction. So it's fraction example. This turned out to be such a beautiful day. Intensifier. It is rather a small ring. Again, intensifier. He broke both his arms. Quantifiers. All her friends, all. Her friends came to her birthday party. So you can say it as quantifiers also, but if it's used in middle of the sentence or in another way, we can say distributive also, but depends on the usage of the sentence. Okay, over here we will say quantifiers. I ate one third Ram's cookies. Okay, so what it is? One third is fractions. He makes thrice my annual salary. Thrice is what? Multipliers. Twice, thrice, this way. He's celebrating his 51st birthday in August. Ordinals. मैंने आपसे कहा था ना 51st, first, second, this all are what? Normally ordinals में क्या होता है ना th होता है 14th, 15th, okay 16th, 17th, this way. Now, the company has just celebrated its 150th anniversary. Ordinals. A month has 30 days. We are telling an exact number, so we will say cardinal. That is my house, so it is what? Demonstrative. So I hope you all are clear with all the parts of this determiners and predeterminers. For any other doubt, please feel free to reach out to me. Okay? Also, don't forget to comment for whichever topic you want me to put. I will try to come up with the new topic as soon as possible as per your request. So till then, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and also the bell icon. Till then, bye bye. Take care.